Good morning, students. In today's class, we will learn about water. Yes, children, as you know, that all human beings, plants, and animals need water to live. We need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing clothes, etc. Children, we use water every day, right? But do you know where does water come from? So let us study about it. Children, water comes down from clouds as rain, and rain is the main source of water. Rainwater fills up the rivers, lakes, ponds, and seas. So these are the other sources of water. The water in the rivers, lakes, ponds, and seas is called surface water. Canals and dams are built to make use of surface water. Some amount of rainwater seeps into the ground and gets collected as groundwater. Yes, so we get groundwater from wells and hand pumps. Children, groundwater is mostly used for drinking purposes. In our homes, we get water from taps. Children, groundwater is water that moves through soil and rocks below Earth's surface. It comes from rain, snow, and hail that soaks into the ground, and water moves down into the ground through cracks and holes because of gravity. Now, let us understand about storage of water. Children, storage of water means collecting water for future use. Yes. So, water can be stored in tanks, tubs, and buckets. And do you know, children? Only a very small amount of water on the earth can be used for drinking. Yes, because the water is either salty or in the form of ice. So, it is important not to waste water and save as much as possible. Now, let us understand how does water get dirty. Children, water in ponds, lakes, and rivers may not be clean. Using dirty water is not good for health. So, you can help to keep the water clean by following ways. First, never throw waste into ponds, rivers, lakes, and seas. Do not throw paints and oils down the sink. Plant lots of trees around the water bodies. Now let us understand clean water for drinking. Children, groundwater is not safe for drinking. This water contains germs which can make us fall sick. To kill germs, we should always boil water before drinking. And we should always drink clean water. The container in which water is stored should always be covered. Now, the most important thing, children, we should always save water. As you know, children, that only a very small amount of water on the earth can be used by people, and the rest of the water is either salty or in the form of ice. So, it is important not to waste water and save as much as possible. So, here are some simple things that you can do to save water. The first one is do not leave the water tap open while brushing your teeth. Next, tell an adult when you see a leak in a water pipe. Next, collect and use rainwater for gardening. Children, do you know rainwater harvesting is the method of accumulation and storage of rainwater for reuse and not allowing it to run off. Children, the rainwater can be collected from the rivers or the roofs of buildings. So, we can say the method of collecting and storing rainwater is called rainwater harvesting. Summary: the water in the rivers, lakes, ponds, and seas is called surface water. The rainwater that seeps into the ground is called groundwater. Water can be stored in tanks, tubs, and buckets. We should always boil water before drinking. It is important not to waste water and save it for future use. Thank you.